Integrating third-party scripts into Shopbase is a straightforward process that can enhance the functionality of your online store. To begin, you will need to access your Shopbase admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. From there, click on the Advanced Settings option and select the Custom Scripts tab. In this tab, you will find a field where you can paste your third-party script. Before doing so, ensure that you have obtained the script from a trusted source and that it is compatible with Shopbase. You can add scripts to the header or footer of your store, depending on the script's requirements. To add a script, simply paste the code into the designated field and click Save. Shopbase will automatically add the script to your store's code. You can also specify the pages where the script should be applied, such as the home page or product pages. When integrating third-party scripts, it is essential to consider the potential impact on your store's performance. Too many scripts can slow down your store's loading time, so it is crucial to only add scripts that are necessary. You should also regularly review and update your scripts to ensure they remain compatible with Shopbase and do not pose any security risks. To illustrate this process, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you want to add a social media sharing script to your product pages. You would obtain the script from a trusted source, such as a social media platform or a reputable script provider. You would then paste the script into the Custom Scripts tab in your Shopbase admin panel, selecting the product pages as the target location. After saving the script, it would be automatically added to your product pages, allowing customers to easily share your products on social media. Best practices for integrating third-party scripts into Shopbase include regularly reviewing and updating your scripts, testing your store's performance after adding new scripts, and ensuring that all scripts are compatible with Shopbase. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively integrate third-party scripts into your Shopbase store, enhancing its functionality and improving the overall shopping experience for your customers.